Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler. I'm coming to you from an island in Alaska, and it is beautiful here. We have an incredible rainforest, which I love nature. I love all the birds I get to see right out my back deck on my home. And it's light so much in the summer, which is so wonderful. You can imagine how much more the flowers in the gardens, they grow like crazy in the summer, and I do love photography, so it makes it the perfect fit. So I just thank you for getting on my video, and I want to talk to you about my home-based business and real proof. So let's get started. Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I want to show you real proof of income. This program launched the end of May, so this is the first month, June. This is the last day of the month, and I got 6 payments. I have proof of payments here, and I want to show you what that looks like. Let's get this started. All right, here we go. From Zelle on the middle of the month, I got $350 payment, and then I also got $300 in my Stripe account, and you can see in the left corner that is my account. So that is my real proof. There's more to come, so you definitely want to subscribe to my channel and be there so you can get more updates on my income, because I will be doing updates on it every week. And this is an incredible work from home opportunity. You want to go to my web in my description, go to princessbosslady.info and check it out. It is incredible income producing because you do the tasks, you don't recruit, you don't sell, you don't talk to people. You do the task you're asked to do, and it works like magic if you do your work, and it's incredible. I wanted to share my real proof, so go to my website and check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.